In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an order in WooCommerce fast and easy. This process is straightforward, but ensuring you're following the right steps is crucial. Whether you're managing inventory or just tidying up your records, deleting unwanted orders can help you keep everything organized. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center, where you have access to all your website's functionalities. Make sure you have the appropriate permissions to make changes within the WooCommerce plugin, as you'll need administrative access to proceed. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu items. Next, click on the WooCommerce option in that sidebar. This will expand into several options related to handling and managing your store. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that handles everything from orders to products, and knowing your way around it is essential for efficient store management. After opening WooCommerce, the next step is to click on Orders. This directs you to a comprehensive list of all the orders placed through your store. Here you can view all orders, including pending, completed, and canceled ones. This page provides a detailed view of each order's status, customer details, and much more. Locate the order you want to delete. You can find it by browsing through the list or using the search bar to simplify this process. Once you've located the order you wish to delete, click on the order number to open it. By doing this, you will access the order details page, which provides in-depth information about that specific order. From here, you can review all aspects before deciding to delete it. Finally, you will see an option labeled Move to Trash on the right side of the details page. Clicking this button will send the order to the trash. This doesn't permanently delete the order immediately. Instead, it moves it to a section where you can review deleted items later if necessary. This can be particularly useful if an order was removed by mistake and quick retrieval is required. And that's it. You've successfully moved an order to the trash in WooCommerce. Remember that staying organized and removing unnecessary entries from your records helps maintain a clean and efficient database. Always double-check before deleting to ensure no vital data is lost permanently. I hope this guide helps you manage your WooCommerce store more effectively. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more handy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy managing your store.